In this video, I am going to show you top 3 best front-load washing machines to buy. These models not only deliver exceptional cleaning performance but also excels in energy and water efficiency, making them perfect for eco-conscious households. So let's explore the best options that combine technology, efficiency and value for money. For all the washing machines, I have provided link in the description and also tagged in this video. Bosch 7kg 5-star fully automatic front-loading washing machine comes with a capacity of 7kg and energy rating is 5-star. The technology it comes with is called as Eco Silence Drive and Active Water Plus. The special features of this washing machine is anti-tangle, video drum and inbuilt heater. Washing machine comes with Active Water Plus technology that optimizes water usage, and the 5-star energy rating ensures lower electricity consumption. It is recommended for those who prioritize durability and advanced features, and this Bosch model offers long-term value despite the higher initial investment. Buy this amazing washing machine for its quiet operation with the Eco Silence Dry, which ensures minimal noise, efficient water usage with the Active Water Plus technology. Fabric care with a video drum design provides gentle yet thorough cleaning. Samsung 7kg fully automatic front load washing machine. Capacity is of 7kg, energy rating is 5-star. The technology it comes with is a digital inverter motor technology and hygiene steam. The special features that you could only find in this washing machine is quick wash, ceramic heater and diamond drum. The digital inverter motor technology ensures energy efficiency, and the Eco Drum Clean technology maintains the drum's cleanliness without harsh chemicals and also saves water. This washing machine is ideal for users seeking a balance between performance and price, offering essential features without unnecessary spills. Buy this amazing washing machine for its hygienic cleaning, that is, hygiene steam cycle removes bacteria and allergens. Durable build quality, ceramic heater prevents calcium buildup and enhancing the longevity. It's user-friendly, that is quick wash program for lightly soiled clothes. LG 7kg 5-star inverter touch panel fully automatic front load washing machine comes with a capacity of 7kg, energy rating is 5 stars, comes with the technology of inverter direct drive and 6 motion DD, and special features that you could find on this washing machine is a touch panel, smart diagnosis and inbuilt heater. The inverter direct drive motor reduces energy consumption, and the 6 motion DD technology ensures efficient water usage by adapting the wash cycle to the fabric type. It comes with advanced features and energy efficiency, and this model offers excellent value for small to medium-sized families seeking a reliable washing machine. Buy this amazing washing machine for its energy efficient, that is 5-star rating, ensures lower electricity consumption, advanced cleaning, that is 6 motion DD technology provides optimized motion, which is a combination which combination of fabric type you have used, and according to that it uses the water. And it has smart features like touch panel and smart diagnosis for easy troubleshooting. Links are provided in the description.